Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Today we are going to continue chapter 5 multiplication part 6. We are going to do word problem today. Okay, children? Okay, now see the first question. A wholesaler buys 42 crates of mangoes at rupees 275 per crate. What is the cost of 42 crates of mangoes? Now first you have to write the statement for this sum. Okay, so what will be your first statement? Cost of one crate. So what is the answer? Cost of one crate is how much? Yes, rupees 275. Then we will write next statement, cost of 42 crates, that we have to find out. Okay, the cost of one crate is rupees 275. We have to find the cost of 42 crates. So what you will write? 275 multiply by 42. Okay, now we are going to do this sum with lattice method, right? So for you are doing multiplication by lattice method, what you have to do? First you have to take the numbers and show the breakup, then only you can multiply, right? So we will take one number 275. We have to show the breakup of 275 first. Now 2 is in hundreds place, so what you will write? 200 plus, now 7 is in tens place, 70 plus 5 is in units place, 5. Now we will show the breakup of 42. So 4 is in tens place. What you will write? 40 plus 2 is in units place, 2. Now after writing the breakup, we are going to multiply using lattice method. So first you will put multiplication sign, okay, and then you are going to start the sum. First column what will come? 200, then 70, then 5, right? And down vertically what will come? 40 and 2. You have to find the number of this mangoes in 42 crates, right? So breakup of 42 is 40 and 2, and the cost of one crate is 275. So you will write 270 and 5. Now we will multiply, right? Now first what you will do? 2 fours are. 2 fours is how much? 8. Okay. After 8 you are going to put how many zeros? 3 zeros, right? So what is your answer? 8,000. 200 multiply by 40 is how much? 8,000. Now we will multiply 70 with 40. So you will set table of 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. After 28 you will put 2 zeros. So what will be your answer, children? Yes, 2,800. Now we will multiply 5 by 40. 5 multiply by 40. So you will say 5 into 4. 5 fours is how much? 20. And then you will put 1 0. So what will be your answer? 240. Sorry, 200. 5 fours are 20, and then you will put 1 0. So it will come 200. Now we will multiply 200 with 2, 70 with 2, and then 5 with 2. Okay. Now 2 twos are 4. After 4 you will place 2 zeros. So your answer will be 400. Very good. Now we will multiply by 7 with 2. 7 multiply by 2. 7 twos are 14. And then you will put 1 0. So what will be your answer? 140. Very good. Now we will multiply by 5 with 2. 5 twos are 10. Very good. Now 5 twos are 10, right? Now you got these numbers, right? 8,000, 2,800, 200, 400, 140 and 10. You are going to add all these numbers. See, After writing these numbers vertically, you have to arrange right and then you have to add. So we are going to start from units place. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 1, 5. Very good. 8 plus 4 is 12. Right? 12 plus 2, 14. And 14 plus 1, 15. So 5 will come down. 1 will go in thousands place. Now 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 10, 11. 11 will come. So what is your answer? 11,550. How you are going to write the answer? Yes. The cost of 42 crates of mangoes is rupees 11,550. So this is your answer. Now let us do second sum, children. In a stadium, there are 245 chairs in one row. How many chairs in all are there in 24 such rows? There are 245 chairs in one rows and there are 24 rows. So let us see. First you have to write the statement, children. Now number of chairs in one row. How many chairs are there in one row? 245. Now number of chairs in 24 rows. So we have to find the total number of chairs in 24 rows. So what you will do? 245 multiply by 24. Now first you will write the numbers and then you will show the breakup. Okay, so first we will take breakup of 245, right? Now 2 is in which place? Hundreds place. So what will come? 200. 4 is in tens place. So what will come? 40. Now 5 is in units place. So it will come 5, right? Now we will show the breakup of 24. Now 2 is in tens place. So what will come? 20. And 4 is in units place. So what will come? 4. Right? Now you got the breakup of 245 and 24. Now you are going to use lattice method to do the multiplication. Okay? Now we will put multiplication sign. And which number will come in first row now? First you will write 200. Then what will come? 40. Then what will come? 5. Very good. And down what you will write vertically? Yes, 20 and then 4, right? After writing these numbers, now you are going to multiply. So first we will take first column. 200 multiply by 20, then 40 multiply by 20, then 5 multiply by 20. Okay. Now first we will take 200 multiply by 20. So you will say table of 2. 2 2s are 4. And how many zeros you will place after 4? See, two zeros you will take from 200 and 1 0 you will take from 20. So total 3 zeros. So what will be your answer? 4,000. Very good. Now we will take second column. 40 multiply by 20. 4 2s are 8. Right? After it, how many zeros you will place? 2 zeros. So your answer is 800. Now we will multiply 5 multiply by 20. So you will say 5 2s are. 5 2s is how much? 10. Right? And you will put 1 0. So your answer is 100. Okay. Now we will multiply 200 with 4, 40 with 4 and then 5 with 4. Okay. So 2 4s are 8. After 8 you will place how many zeros? 2 zeros. Right? So what is your answer? 800. Now 4 multiply by 4. 4 4s is how much? 16 and then 1 0 will come, right? Now 5 fours is how much? 20. So after you get the answer, you have to write all these numbers and add it. Now first what came? 4,000, 800, 800, 160, 100, 20. Right? Now you are going to add all these numbers. So we will start from units, please. 0 plus 0, everywhere it is 0. So your answer will be 0 only. 6 plus 2, 8. Very good. Now 8 plus 8 is how much? 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. So 8 will come down and 1 will go in thousands place, right? Now we will add thousands place number. 4 plus 1, 5, right? So your answer is 5880. Now how you are going to write the answer? Okay, now what is the answer? There are 5880 chairs in 24 rows. This will be your answer, children. Now let us do next third question. While planting rice, 24 rows have been planted with 250 seedlings in each row. Find the number of seedlings planted. Now what is told in this question? While planting rice, 24 rows have been planted with 250 seedlings in each row. Means how many seedlings are there in each row? 250. And how many rows are there? 24. So we have to find the total number of seedlings planted, right? So let us start writing the statement first. What will be our first statement? Number of seedlings in each row. So how many seedlings are there in each row? Each means one row, right? 250 seedlings. Now number of seedlings in 24 rows we have to find out. So what you are going to write? 250 multiplied by 24. After writing this, now you are going to show the breakup, right? 250 equal to, now 2 is in which place? Hundreds place. So what you will write? 200 plus 5 is in tens place. 50 plus 0 is in units place. So what will come? 0 only. Right? Now we will show the breakup of 24. Now 2 is in which place? Tens place. So what will come? 20. And 4 is in units place. So what will come? 4. After showing the breakup, now you are going to write these numbers in the columns. Okay. First you will put multiplication sign and then which number will come first? 200, 50, 0. Okay. Now vertically what you will write? First 20 and then what will come? 4. Very good. After writing the breakup, you are going to multiply. First what you will do? 200 multiply by 20, then 50 multiply by 20, then 0 multiply by 20. So first we will take first number, first column, right? 200 multiply by 20. So you have to say table of 2. 2 2s is how much? 4. And how many zeros you are going to place all together? 3 zeros, right? So what will be your answer? 4,000. Now you will multiply 50 multiply by 20. So you will say table of 5. 5 2s is how much? 10, right? After 10 what you will put? 2 more zeros. So your answer is 1000. Now 0 multiply by 20. Any number multiply by 0, what you will get? 0 only. Very good. Now we will multiply 200 with 4. Now you have to say table of 2. 2 4s is how much? 8. Right? And you will put 2 zeros after it. So what is your answer? 800. Now 50 multiplied by 4. 5 4s is how much? 20. And you have to place 1 0 after 20. So what is your answer? 200. Very good. Now we will multiply by 0 with 4. 0 4s are 0. So after writing this, you are going to add the numbers. So first what will come? 4,000, then 1,000, then 800, then 200. Okay. After arranging it vertically, now you are going to add. So first we are going to start from units, please. 0 plus 0, 0. Second tens place, again all zeros are there. So what will be your answer? Again it will be 0 only. Now 8 plus 2 is how much? 10, right? So what you will do? You will put 0 down and 1 will go in thousands place. Now 1 plus 4 is how much? 5. And 5 plus 1? 6. Right? So what is your answer, children? 6,000. Okay, what is your answer? 6,000. Now we are going to write answer. So what is your answer? How you are going to write it? Yes, 6,000 seedlings were planted. What is your answer? 6,000 seedlings were planted. So this is how you are going to do word problems using lattice method, children. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow again we are going to continue with the same chapter.